Hey folks, in this tutorial we're gonna see how to change the position of a subject smoothly in After Effects. We can accomplish this smooth movement by using SpeedGraph. So I made a new composition and imported two photos. Okay, now after scaling photos down and positioning them where I want them to be at the end, I select both of them and hit P on keyboard to use position. Now I put the cursor at about 2 seconds and I click on the clock to set a keyframe. Then I go to the first frame of the video to set the second keyframe and drag the photos down. Now we can see the movement is okay, but it's not smooth, and paying attention to these kinds of details are very important to make your work perfect. And this is where we use SpeedGraph. When you click on Edit SpeedGraph, a graph appears and we should play with it to make the movements smooth. Here you can see the difference between the right photo, which is edited, and the left photo, which is not edited. And I'm sorry about my accent. I'm working on it and I assure you it will get better and better in every video, so don't get bothered and subscribe to this channel to see more videos like this. Thank you very much.